number 8. Where is the cat? Look and read. Little cat is going to the park. She is sitting in the car. Let's see where she is. Enjoy the activity with the children with the help of table, bench, chair, etc. Fill in the blanks with correct words. The cat is on the car. The cat is in the car. The cat is behind the car. The cat is under the car. The cat is near the car. The cat is beside the car. The cat is far away from the car. Lesson number 8.